Now what I need to do is to put screw pockets in my toe kick and my back piece. I'm going to put 2 screw pockets on the backs of my toe kick. And so I'm just putting a couple of reference lines right here because on the 101 Easy screw pocket machine from Safety Speed, I've actually got a little indicator line right here. And so I'll line that up with that line, push it all the way to the fence, clamp it down, turn it on. Make my screw pocket. I'm going to do that 3 more times on this piece and then 8 more times on the back part. These screw pockets are going to do a couple things. They're going to hold the piece in place, but they're also going to add a lot of strength to the case for our bookshelf, and they're also going to eliminate some of the gaps that we may have looking through the front of our shelf.